Augie on the desk. And today I'm doing a natural makeup look because I'm a little broken out today, so I wanted to not clog up my pores. Augie is on my desk, so if you see a little furry tail thing or like this piece, that's just her, so don't be alarmed. Hi, Augie! And so we're just going to do the natural makeup look. I started off by patting in some sunscreen. You want to make sure you get mineral based because it protects against UVA and UVB, which non-mineral based sunscreens don't do, so very important. And then I use this Super Primer by Clinique to help cover up the red skin discoloration from acne. Yellow helps balance out that skin tone. Then I'm gonna go in with my organic, vegan, not in a plastic container product, sorry I forgot the word, foundation. So yeah, let's do that. We're just gonna rub it in because I think from my sustainability product testing video, I found out that I like to rub it in better. And always make sure you wash your hands before you put stuff on your face so you don't add more bacteria and cause more breakouts. And I always think it's important to put a little and blend with your neck, just so people don't realize that you got foundation that's darker and then pasty skin. And if you see, you can still see the spots, so I am going to do the rest of my makeup, kind of let this dry out, and then I'll try going back over with this again on those specific target areas. I'm going to give myself some eyebrows that look fuller using the Anastasia in the taupe color. And next I do my eyeshadow, and I don't use eyeshadow most of the time. I either use like bronzer and I take my bronzer brush, put it in the bronzer and I go flat wipe, or I do blush. And since I'm wearing a pink cardigan and I have this little Sailor Moon themed necklace, I'm just going to use some blush and put it on my eyes with the blush brush. I usually use any kind of blush. I have multiple ones. I have today this Rose Pearl Physicians Formula. It's the Power Palette Mineral Glow Pearls brush. Blush, sorry. So we're just gonna do that. I don't know if it's like well renowned or anything. I just get things based on how they look and hope for the best. I feel like they should make blush in every color so I can just do this with all my eyeshadows and like all the fun colors, because to me, I have terrible choice in choosing eyeshadow palettes, or I just have a terrible like ability of making them pigmented. I don't know what it is, if it's me or if it's the palettes. I've gotten like the Naked by Urban Decay, and those things don't show up on me. Like I've seen them show up on other girls who put them on, so it's probably me, but I don't like to acknowledge that it's me, so we're just gonna blame them and everybody else's talent. So yeah. So now I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and kind of put it up top under my eyebrows just so it won't be so pink up here. And we're just gonna pat it in. And then I brush up so it's like a transition from dark to light. And I've always done this, and people have asked, oh, do you have the Peachy palette by Too Faced? And I'm like, no, I literally just put blush on my eyes. So that's how it is, that's how it's done. I do all the makeup in the wrong spots. Like I like to put lip gloss as my blush because I saw it trending on TikTok and that's my new go-to. So I just put a little at a time and I blend it into it, my under eye, and then I add more as I feel that it needs to be more pigmented. Oh, and this is the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Lip Gloss, and it's not glossy, lip stain, and it's in Taken. It was a big sale when I got it. They were like, I don't know, $2 or $3, so I went on it because I trusted them to have good stuff, and it gets all over my teeth, and it doesn't dry, so I don't know if that means it's good or not, but I think the colors are really pretty, and I usually use it and just look at my teeth and make sure that they're not pink. And then because I do want to make sure that it doesn't mess around so much because I have so much cream, and I don't know why, but cream and me don't go well together, I like to use blush and go over it just to kind of like set it with powder. I got these brushes that are the Jeffree Star X Morphe collaboration because they're cute and pink, and the bag that it came in was cute, and my mom was kind enough to get it for me, and there was a good sale. They always have good sales. I haven't really ordered any of their makeup, but I know they're really popular, so I want to try it one day. And then last but not least, I finished this look with some Workout 24-Hour Mascara by Clinique. And that's basically it. I usually put on like some clear lip gloss just to make my lips shiny, but because I have to wear a mask when I go to the zoo, I'm just not gonna worry about it, so yeah. And now we'll take my finger that I used for my foundation and try to blot out those red spots on my face that I don't want. And this is my natural beauty look, so yeah, I woke up like this, sure. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate the time. Let me know what you think in the comments and give me any advice for how to do my makeup better in the future, or any application improvements that I can do. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not a makeup expert. I have watched makeup tutorials and that's about it. And I've taken snippets of advice from a variety of them. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so please don't take this like you have to do, okay? Because you probably know more than I do. So bye everyone, thank you so much.